Welcome to a world where power is measured in horsepower, a realm where the roar of an engine is a symphony to the ears. Imagine the heart of a beast, pounding with over 200,000 horsepower. That's the Wärtsilä Sulzer RTA 96C, a colossal two-stroke diesel engine, the most powerful engine in the world. Now, picture a different kind of power, the thrust of a rocket. The F1 rocket engine, used in NASA's Saturn V, boasts a staggering 1.5 million pounds of thrust. Then there are engines designed for speed. The Rolls-Royce Spey turbofan propelling the Concorde to twice the speed of sound. Power, speed, thrust. 3 different engines, each masters in their own domain. In the world of engines, power is not just a number, it's a statement. Welcome to our world, where power roars.